Hello YouTube, welcome to another video of Pixels Bank, and in this video you are going to learn how to get a logo design for under $20. Now $20 sounds quite cheap, like very cheap, when usually a brand identity can cost you like thousands of dollars. However, there are some specific reasons why you may want to go cheap. Now, don't expect at $20 to get a whole brand identity with fonts and everything around it, with color schemes and all that stuff. When I'm saying logo, that means only a logo. And the reason why you may want to have this is maybe for a small business idea that you have and you want to get started, or it can be maybe a nice Facebook page or Instagram, or maybe just for your hobby. So in general, I wouldn't recommend to do this, but if it's just something that's gonna be small, then this may work for you very well and you're gonna save a lot of money using this way. Now it's gonna involve a little bit effort from you. That means you'll need to use an editing software like Adobe Illustrator, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that in as little steps as possible. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is go on the platform called Elements.envato.com. Now this is a platform where you create an account and you have access to thousands of resources, from stock video templates, music, sound effects, photos, fonts, and everything in between, textures, backgrounds, everything. It also has web templates, so you can download WordPress templates if you're interested in that to create your own website. All those resources are included into a monthly subscription. Now the subscription depends, usually it's between $15 and $25. That pretty much depends on which plan you want to go with. Maybe you want the annual plan, which is cheaper per month, or maybe you just want to pay for one single month and download as many resources as you want in that month. Now that's up to you to choose. One thing you must know, there's an affiliate link in the description of this video on my YouTube channel, so you can use that link to register an account and get your membership. And if you do that, you'll also help this channel to grow, you'll support my work. Or if you don't want, you're free to register an account on your own without using the affiliate link. So that's totally up to you. Now I'm going to show you how you can get any sort of logo from this platform and start using it. So you'll just need to download something, and then you will have to open it in Adobe Illustrator, but we will get to that in a moment. So let's suppose you are a business owner, or you want to create your Facebook page about let's suppose you want to create something about yoga, right? Or actually, let's say fitness. So you're gonna search fitness logo in here and go on graphic templates category. Here you'll see plenty of options of logos already done. Some of them can be customized, so you can type your own text. You can search the pages. If you want to have something more specific, you can check here the logos option. Okay, let's see if something interesting here for me that I should choose. Okay, maybe I want to go with not that one, something a bit more simple for this video. I quite like this one, so I'm gonna select this, just say, and then every time you download something from this platform, you'll need to create a new project and put a license. So every download should be licensed to a specific project, and you cannot use it for other projects only if you license them again. So let's suppose I create now a project called my fitness, just for reference, and now I have a license to use it for that project. That's how it goes. I'm just gonna create here a logo folder on desktop and open up this archive. Just extract everything. So I usually just need the Adobe Illustrator file, so .ai, and then I can open it with Adobe Illustrator. Now Adobe Illustrator is another software, it's a third party, so it's not included in Envato Element. Okay, and then let's just double click this. I'm just gonna delete the text and keep just the shape for now. If you go here on the left side, you see the type tool, and you can just type in your name, your business name. Just gonna type my fitness, as that's the name for which I put the license. I'm gonna increase the size, center it. Maybe I want to go with a different font. I'm gonna go with Roboto for this one, like that. I think it was already that, but never mind. And for this I'm gonna select bold. Okay, so that's my brand, that's my name. Maybe I want a different color for only this. I can select it and change the color from here. I want a dark blue, or actually let's just go with a gray. Or maybe we can even select that blue, nice color, and go with that. I'm gonna make maybe this one a bit different, like that. New MY. I actually want a lighter font, so let's see what I have. I have both a light. That's gonna work for me. So yeah, this is my logo ready. What I can do is select everything, right click, say collect for export, and press on single asset. Now the asset export panel will open on the right side, and you can rename your logo. Just call it my fitness. Press on it, so it has this blue border, and select the format PNG scale. You want a larger size, so it's you can use it for whatever, for larger screen sizes. Say export, select your folder, select folder, and now when I go here I'll have my logo ready to be used. And that's how simple, how quick you can create logos. I mean, not really create from scratch, but if you need for a business that you're just getting started, you have plenty of options on Envato Elements done by other designers, and you only have to pay a monthly fee, and you can download as many assets as you want. So I think it's very convenient. You can have fonts and things like that. So as I mentioned, you can use the affiliate link if you want to support this channel. If not, that's perfectly fine for me. I just wanted to share this with you, so maybe you find it useful. And if you really do, please remember to subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what would you like to learn more about, so I can create this video for you. And I'll see you in the next video.